Hey everybody, this review's more, back with a quick review, this time on a shoe product. I've actually reviewed one of these before. This is Hoka 1-1, and the shoe is called a GAVIOTA 3. I'm sure I'm butchering that pronunciation, but you know, it is what it is. I've actually purchased these before, not this particular shoe, but the brand. I've purchased the Bondi 6s a couple years ago, and those shoes worked out wonderfully for me, and I wanted to try these out because they come a similar kind of plushness rating, which was the biggest factor when I wore the Bondis. They are, let me see the color real fast. The color is charcoal gray and ombre blue. It wasn't my ideal color, but I have size 12 feet. I need a wide shoe, and that kind of limits the selection. I purchased them directly from the actual Hoka website, so I didn't go through like Omega or anything else. And because they seem to have the best selection just at the website versus going to like a third party. Although the third party sometimes do have better deals. They were 160 plus tax at 170, and you're just seeing me kind of inspect the shoe, get all the stuff out. I take a quick look at the soles, make sure that they're not like damaged or anything else. But there you go, they're called the GAVIOTA 3, and again, butchering that name more than likely. As far as how they feel wonderful, and this review will be kind of two parts. First, it'll be just kind of unboxing it, and then I'll show you what they look like after about 50 miles or so of use. Important facts, again, size 12, they're a wide shoe, so 2E, and on top of that, I'm about 230 pounds, so that's the kind of pressure being put on these shoes. For the most part, I wear these because they're somewhat orthopedic, and the Bondis were such a great experience. I wanted to try these out. Overall, really happy with them. I'll give you that information right up front. The biggest difference I can say between the Bondis and these, if you're curious, is the fact that the Bondis, while they're both kind of similar in how plush they are around the shoe and around your foot, the Bondis are much softer on the heel of your foot. The GAVIOTA 3s, they're a little more firm on the heel. Not a bad thing. Still feels great. But if you have a sensitive heel or something like that, the Bondis might be a better choice for you. But I was really happy with these, and I'll show you real fast what the next ones look like. You'll see that they are in pretty much the same condition after 50 or so miles of use and just general wear. They might be a little dirty because I'm a slightly dirtier person, but basically there's no blowing out, and that's always the biggest concern for me with my wide feet is, am I going to blow out the sides? And so far, that has not happened, and that's after at least 50 plus miles of wear and tear on them. So you'll see that video right now, and we'll go from there. And as you can see, running through this, there's no blowout portions. There's a little bit of wear and tear just from walking around outside and doing stuff outside. But this is with 50 plus miles on this at this point, and just general walking around. I don't tend to take my shoes and only have one pair of running shoes and then have a pair of everyday shoes. When I buy these Hokas, they're my everyday running shoes. They're my everyday walking around shoes. So they're basically experiencing 230 pounds of wide feet on any given day. So they're doing pretty good so far. This has been about 2 weeks of consistent wear and use as well as cardio. So that's why I was able to get up to that amount and review this functionally. A little bit of wear and tear on the bottoms, nothing too crazy, pretty typical, just kind of more discoloration than any real wear and tear. If you like the video, guys, please hit the like and subscribe button. I promise in about 3 months I'll do a follow-up, probably as a pinned comment, because I don't think it'd be worthwhile doing an entire follow-up review video. So I'll post that probably in 3 or so months, just saying, hey, this is the status of the shoes. Is it still working well? Do they blow out? And that's the key thing. I think people with wide feet are concerned about blowing their shoes out. So if that happens, I'll notify you the moment it does on a pinned comment. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.